Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
So today's vlog is going to be a self-care kind of day vlog, and I have quite a few things planned for today because honestly it has been a rough week, a rough past month, especially this week. It has been rough. We have been having crusade, and for every day I'm going to bed late, and that is why I chose the first thing on this self-care was to get rest. So I've been getting up like 4:30 every day, and then going to bed like probably like after 10, after 11, after a very hectic day. So it's like me drain. So yeah, it has been rough. So I've decided the first thing on the list is to actually get some rest, and that is what I did today. Now I'll be going through the rest of my day, just ensuring that I get a little bit of pampering, a little bit of self-care. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And love you guys. So my Cetaphil finished, and my sister and I, so we're going to try the CeraVe face products. However, when I went to the pharmacy to buy them, because we're gonna say, all right, if we order them when I get them for now, I will need them now because the Cetaphil finished, right? I go and I did ask for the price before, and like, all right, so we decided I'm coming back to buy it. Yesterday I went to buy it, then I have no face wash. All they had was the lotion and something. So I said, me take it as a sign, because we're asking about the clean and clear. So take it as a sign. So I'll just stick with these right now. And I loved these when I usually used them before, and it was working, I think, once. I don't remember why I made stop using it, but hopefully I never truly did have a cup of face. I'm not sure. But anyways, I bought back our clean and clear. I'm gonna show you the other products in a bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish wash my face. I'll show you the rest of them. So the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. It's oil free with person bees, wakes you up principally with vitamin C and gym cell, and it's from Johnson & Johnson. And honestly, when I usually use it, I love this. This was my favorite product ever. So love that. And I bought a new brush because the brush on my arm is just tough. And this one is pretty soft. I bought this, and it comes with, I don't know what it comes with, and it was just for $800. But yeah, I don't remember how much for this. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go with my shoulder. Anyways, my gosh, my face.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, gotta let them know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, he got his hands in it. I promise he'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him. I know, yeah. Life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
So I want to show you guys like the rest of the products that I bought. So I bought the Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser for sensitive skin, which I used this last night, so I used this in the night. And then I also bought the moisturizer. So this is a dual action moisturizer. So yeah, so this I'm gonna put on now. Few pumps of that. Also bought myself a chapstick, so this is important in my skincare right now because I've been having some problems with my lips, so that is needed. And the last thing I bought is some sunscreen. Well, the lady at the pharmacy said it can be used on my face, so hopefully it never broke out. So take a few. Feel like it's enough because sunscreen is important for your face, people, especially in the daytime. So hopefully this not you know what. So that's gonna be my morning routine in the mornings. Still deciding if I want to use like the toner. I have a right name again. I got that toner there. That's one I hear. Right name Thyre's toner. Let me know in the comments if it's any good. I've had it for quite some time. If you can see, it's almost done. It had mildew because I had it in the bathroom where I wash, like where it was water. So kind of mildew. However, what in there should be still good. Should be. So let me know in the comments if it's any good, if I can actually use it on my face and with the products that I'm using. If you guys know anything about skincare, I do not. I'm just trying to take care of my face. Anyways, I'm gonna eat breakfast and then I don't know what else. But yeah, I'll get breakfast. Alright guys, so I've finished eating and I wanted to like clean my room and wash my sheets so it can dry and put on back. But it looks like it's about to rain. So I'm not gonna bother with the sheet washing today or next day. I'm gonna clean the room though, and then clean the kitchen, try to see if we can clean up the house, and then continue with the rest of the day. I also have to wash my hair, all of those stuff. So yeah.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh.
I've cleared off my 2 beds. Yeah, so I've fixed over there, so it's just like the dresser left. Yeah, so I want to show you guys the brush thing that I bought. It came in this. It's Mealy Star, I don't know. Anyways, it's face brush and jade massager set. And as I showed you guys the brush this morning, this is the brush. Yeah, very soft, brittle. Yeah, and then this is like the massaging part, and this is what it came with. So it come in this. It came with 2, I call them again. Me I forgot their name. Honestly, I have some, but honestly, forget the name. See, all of them dirty. Like I need to go through my entire makeup thing, clean it. I think I'm gonna do that now. Still, yeah, I'll do that now. Clean it, wash these. Yeah. So I have 2 more to add. Actually 4, because I bought my sister one in the pack and she don't use these. So I gotta get these. So yeah, 2 of those. And honestly, don't know what this is. It's cushy, it has a sponge in it. I don't know what it look like, or something for massage face. Let me know in the comments down below. I've done drying my hair. I don't know. It looked dry and trashy. Anyways, mega that's that. I don't want to style. No, I'm ready. I don't want to. I'll see you guys after. Hi guys, so finally finished with the hair. I actually just finished eating. It's like 8:19 right now. Lighting is very terrible in my room. Anyways, wanted to show you guys like the end of the hair. The hair did not turn out as well as I wanted it to, but it's cool. I'm gonna make it work. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to put my self-care day on a pause until like tomorrow because it's so late and I'm tired already. So I kind of want to play some games, but I have like programs to do, so I'm gonna do the programs first and then play a game after. Yeah, like me no want to bed too late because I'm tired. I will have crusade. We'll have the last night at crusade tomorrow, so yeah.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.